Okay, Randall M here. Got a Brother printer, model number HL-L2395DW, and this is the first time I've ordered some new toner. The printer came with some toner. Move the camera out of the way. Put the camera up here for right now. My Canon EOS 7D. Anyway, the printer came with some ink when we bought it, but we hadn't bought any actual ink to replace it because we ran out of ink, so we bought some more, obviously, for the first time. Here's the box from Amazon. Let me push the computer back here. Make room here. And like I said, this is going to be an unboxing. So I'm going to take a pair of scissors here and try to do this with one hand as I hold the camera. Yeah, it's not anywhere as good as it would be if I had two hands to do it, but anyway, let's see what we got here. Alrighty, so we've got that's a pretty big box. Of course, there's supposed to be 4 of them. So there's the box. It's pretty big. You get an overall picture there. And of course, we got Amazon tells me what I ordered. Blah blah blah. Da, 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 da. Doesn't tell how much, it just says. Anyway, there's that. Another piece says, a gift for you. Ship and Amazon packaging selected. Okay. Anyway, and of course we got some bubble wrap thingamabobs that I'll save for later. So that is video number 1. I'll do another one here when I after I throw the box away and put the bubble wrap stuff up. So there's the ink toner.